Just some more pictures. Here we are, round 4 on the 27th day of August 2023 and the GoPro 10. We're here at Big Willow Park. Parks they call it. I just call it Big Willow Park. So, like I said in the last video you saw yesterday, this is up March, obviously 2024. I have not, that I know of, maybe when I was younger, never been back into here. So I'm gonna walk over here and we'll see how it is, huh? All right, let's go. That's before in Oregon, Scenic Highway has all kinds of trails you can get off on, but there you better have yourself a map. I pretty much know where I'm at. I'm not going to get lost like in the Appalachian Trail. But I do want to bike through here on my bike, and it goes to Plymouth Road, and I can bike to a ridge if I want to, and kind of bike over there if I want. So a lot of biking I still want to do. Did some snorkeling you guys saw, wherever they go, but you guys saw the Richfield one you saw. That kind of another cool area. Take the family at. You saw the Apple Valley treetop trail. That was cool. Just getting shocks, I guess, but. That's over there. Look at that now. I'm glad I went and got my battery. I just, this is to me is, you know, I mean, I'm not an adventurer of, I've thought before, adventurers of the Wonder Hussies or her ilk, the ones that are way above me that edit and stuff. I get, oh, this is just kind of a fun thing to walk through and see and show people. I don't know, that's, could not imagine spending 80 hours a week or doing a 15-minute video and spending 6 hours on it. I couldn't do it. Couldn't do it. Unless I'm working for a movie theater, movie company, yeah, movie company, yeah, I get it. That's my job, right? Like the Elvis movie, there was a lot of editing in that movie. Good movie, but God, the editing they had to do for that thing, oh my goodness. I would have done it totally differently. There's too much going on. Make it simple and easy, like Queen's movie was really good. Elton John movie pissed me off. That was a musical. I want my money back. Maybe I can make a movie. I could have a horror movie back into here. That guy I told before, bitching about what the hell is his name all the time, Boogie. He likes to write horror movies, you know, get together and find some place, get some people and do it. Still waiting to find a dead body someday. All I found was a dead turkey with. Come back in here, it's raining, it'd be fun. So you can bike through here, then you go up to Plymouth Avenue. I don't know if it's here or not, but oh. And this is where it comes out to. I see the trail. So you go around the corner up here. Walk over here. I think Plymouth Road's up here. You walk back here. It kind of sneaks around the other side. Yeah, we were here yesterday, so we came all the way to here. So there's all kinds of foliage back into here. She came out of there. She was over there. So if you go up into, cross the bridge here, and you go that way, it connects again over there by Miha. So that way. We have a little river right here. This is like a, when it overflows, goes into here, goes right over here, cruises along. So, and it goes around over here to the left. It keeps going that way. So we'll go up to the right up here and be biking. So it goes all the way around. So we go up into here. So we bike up here. You can also walk back into here too as well. We can cruise back into here. We'll see if this one goes to. So the Plymouth Road's up there. All kind of foliage. Kind of hot out here. The camera will probably turn off on me, who knows, but they're walking up there. So I could literally bike to Ridgedale from here. So we'll head on back, and the railroad tracks is up here. Here we go. So we're walking over here, huh? I think y'all. So it kind of swings around. So there's the railroad tracks over there. It goes under Plymouth. And when people are walking up there, you can kind of see them. So what we'll do is we'll swing around the other side. I'll walk over there, I won't video, then I'll get under the bridge. And then I'll start over there from Miha when I was here 3 years ago, when I was pretending to interview for Anus Breath. Remember that? I was working for him. So, like I said, just kind of wander around. I don't know where the trail meets. So there's the train track right there I was just on before, remember? So, just a gorgeous day, man. So, anyways. So now we're gonna come out where we were last time, and we walked around, the dogs. You can get out here, the trail, out here to the railroad tracks again. I think people from across the way come across the railroad tracks, right? Where I was last time, I was way down there. See, I could walk all the way on the railroad tracks if I wanted to and get off down there. So there's Plymouth Road. So I could walk on the railroad tracks. Have a nice little walk, shall we? Why not? Let's walk down. This will take me all the way down to the bridge. So, anyways, we'll save ourselves walking on the trail. Give it a little railroad track walk. This gets used a lot. I think 1 an hour. It used to be a double one. So what we'll do is I'll walk all the way down to the bridge where the water is, and I'll start from there and I'll head back. So, because there's the trail right there. Well, maybe what I'll do, I'll get back on the trail. It's a little quicker. I'm trying to break my ankle here. So we'll get off the railroad track. Be quicker to walk that way. For my ankles, and safety. What do you think, huh? I tried. It's a beautiful Sunday, like I said. Just horse around, walk around, do some videoing. You know? So here we are, wrecking a trail. Anyway, so what we'll do, this is the 4th video. What I'll do is like I said, we'll get down there. I gotta take some more pictures, change out batteries, give the camera a little bit of a rest, and then we'll show you other stuff. It's just Big Willow Park. I think it's a gem for a doggy come my way too as well. So. Perfect timing. Coming to an end on this camera, on this battery. So it's a big thing over there. You can see that sucker pulled up over there. Look at that bad boy. Oh my goodness. Anyways, guys, see you in the next one.